Hello, my name is Joel. I'm a student at Clover Park Technical College. I am in the mechatronics program taking a class in fluid power. Today's assignment is to modify a pre-existing program to fulfill some specific assignment specifications. Anywho, so looking at our ladder logic program here, we can see our start/stop button process. This is basically our emergency stop and our start button. Hardware-wise, this stop button is normally closed, so we just have to press the start button. Anyways, the next thing we have is our counter process. So essentially how this works is it counts the amount of times that each one of these sensors sets off. So each time the cylinder retracts, sets off a sensor, and it counts that, which then sets off the next thing. So essentially here you can see we have our single acting function, cylinder function, which is over here. We essentially called it. We'll go over it in a second. It's basically counting how many times we want it to extend and then retract. So that is smaller than or equal to 1, starting at 0, does it twice. The next thing is the double acting cylinder process here. So this has to be greater than 1. So if it's starting at 1, essentially when the single acting cylinder retracts, the counter counts that. So when it gets to 2, it's greater than 1 and it will do it. So how the flow works is the single acting cylinder will go once, retract, extend twice, retract, and then it will stop and the double acting cylinder will go. And here we have an emergency stop button rung over here. So now I'm going to go into the function double acting. So double acting cylinder here. So essentially what this does is it extends the sensor based on this cylinder based on this sensor. And it holds that for about 3 seconds before it resets and then retracts. Here is a double acting retract sensor. So yeah, so it resets it here and then retracts. So here's a single acting function over here. I pressed up here. This is the function for the single acting cylinder. Essentially what this does is it extends it, holds it for 2 seconds, and then resets it. This is a spring activated cylinder, so all we have to do is reset it and it will retract back to its normal position. That is our code using the TIA portal for Siemens, programming Siemens PLC. Thank you very much for watching.